In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Threads account bio. After creating your Threads account, you are interested in modifying your account bio and you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you quick steps on how to customize your Threads profile bio. It's pretty simple and easy. On your Thread homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. On this interface, scroll down till you locate edit profile and tap on this. Among the bunch of menus, you see name bio. Since we're interested in customizing this bio, we have to proceed to click on this box. Then we have the option to do any edit that we want to do in this box, or we can also proceed to import the bio from our Instagram by tapping on this icon. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.